It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
Broken glass everywhere, people on the stage, you know they just don't care. I can't take the smell, can't take the noise. Got no money to move out, I guess I got no choice. Rats in the front room, roaches in the back, junkies in the alley with the baseball bat. I tried to get away, but I couldn't get far, cause a man with the tow truck repossessed my car. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Standing on the front stoop, hanging out the window, watching all the cars go by, roaring as the breezes blow. A crazy lady living in a bag, eating out of garbage pails, used to be a fag hag, such a dance to tango, skipped the life and dango. A zircon princess seemed to lost her senses, down at the peep show, watching all the creeps, so she could tell her stories to the girls back home. She went to the city and got so diddy, she had to get a pimp, she couldn't make it on her own. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
My brother's doing fast on my mother's TV. Says she watches too much, it's just not healthy. All my children in the daytime, Dallas at night. Can't even see the game or the Sugar Ray fight. The bill collectors, they ring my phone and scare my wife when I'm not home. Got a bum education, double-digit inflation. Can't take the train to the job, there's a strike at the station. Neon King Kong standing on my back, can't stop to turn around. Broke my sacroiliac, a mid-range migraine, cancer membrane. Sometimes I think I'm going insane, I swear I might hijack a plane. Don't push me, call, I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. My son said, Daddy, I don't want to go to school cause the teacher's a jerk. He must think I'm a fool and all the kids smoke reefer. I think it'd be cheaper if I just got a job, learn to be a street sweeper. I dance to the beat, shuffle my feet, wear a shirt and tie and run with the creeps. Cause it's all about money, ain't a damn thing funny. You got to have a con in this land of milk and honey. They pushed that girl in front of the train, took her to the doctor, sewed her arm on again. Stabbed that man right in his heart. Gave him a transplant for a brand new start. I can't walk through the park cause it's crazy after dark. Keep my hand on my gun cause they got me on the run. I feel like an outlaw, broke my last glass jaw. Hear them say, you want some more? Living on a seesaw. Don't push me cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. You say what? It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
A child is born with no state of mind, blind to the ways of mankind. God is smiling on you, but he's frowning too, because only God knows what you'll go through. You'll grow in the ghetto, living second rate, and your eyes will sing a song of deep hate. The places you play and where you stay looks like one great big alleyway. You'll admire all the number book takers, thugs, pimps, and pushers, and the big money makers. Driving big cars, spending 20s and 10s, and you wanna grow up to be just like them. Smugglers, scramblers, burglars, gamblers, pickpocket peddlers, even panhandlers. You say I'm cool, I'm no fool, but then you wind up dropping out of high school. Now you're unemployed, all non-void, walking around like your pretty boy Floyd. Turned stick-up kid, but look what you done did. Got sent up for an 8-year bid. Now your manhood is took and you're a make tag. Spend the next 2 years as an undercover fag, being used and abused to serve like hell. Till one day you was found hung dead in the cell. It was plain to see that your life was lost. You was cold and your body swung back and forth. But now your eyes sing the sad, sad song of how you live so fast and die so young. So don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
Yo, Mel, you see that girl, man?
Yeah, man.
Yo, that sound like cowboy, man.
Cool.
Yo, what's up, money?
Yo.
Hey, where's It's Quill and Raheem at it.
They upstairs cooling out.
So what's up for the night, y'all?
Yo, we can go down to the fever, man.
Go check out Junebug, man.
Hey, yo, you know that girl Betty?
Yeah, man.
Her mom's got robbed, man.
What?
Again, she got hurt
What just happened? What the
Freeze! Don't nobody move nothing. Y'all know what this is. Get him up. Get him up,
man. We down with Grandmaster Flash and the Furious Five.
Is that a gang? No. Shut up. I don't hear you now. Shut up. So what's the problem? You the problem. You the problem. Yo, you ain't got no answer. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Hello traders, welcome to episode 460 of the show. Could be doing anything, but you're here. Wow, okay, history was made where we decided to stream at 11-ish a.m. Alright, never done that before. I mean, even like in my day streams before, I was like, was it like 2 o'clock? And now it's even earlier. I was told it was in my best interest to stream at this time today, okay? But, we'll see, man. I highly doubt that, because it's like the reason why. If you want something that no one has, you have to do what no one does. And believe me, everyone is doing what I'm doing right now on a certain platform. Okay, so anyway, welcome to the show. Bullish cipher pattern. We've hit 2 targets. Last night we were trying to crack the second one. And we did briefly, but not for long. But we're still holding, which is great. You know, that heart line, I think, is still playing a role as a resistance here. But in the end, it's really 52.66, the second target, the golden retrace, right? So you're going to stall a little bit. We stalled at 382, okay? We never made it to 610. We hit the 50% and sold off and then ran again. So we can do the same thing. We can stall out. We can break the upside a little bit and sell off, and then eventually, hopefully, we can make the 886, because if we hit the 886 retrace, that would give us the perfect bearish bat, which is a great opportunity for low risk, high reward short. Okay, and that's just for targets, not talking about short to zero. My God, everyone gets so polarized. It's just like a position for the short term, where one would take a short if they wanted. Okay, just like on the bullish cipher, where one wanted to, they could have taken a position. Just like an XRP, one could have taken a position on a trade. Okay, my God, like, saw a comment from somebody, it's like, all you have to do is zoom out, man, to know that we're not going up on Ripple. We're not trading higher on Ripple. It's like, dude, from the entry of our swing trade, it certainly is. It's just like, hello? Did you even watch the video, man? Okay, anyway, so that's it, man. We're waiting for, hopefully, 54.20.
Is that a joint?
All right, that's like the target. Patiently, okay? Hopefully by the time we get there, we could show some bearish divergence, all right? So if we just go sideways, sell off a little bit, we could get back to neutral on the MACD, and then we run again, and then that would give us hopefully lower levels of positive momentum at the 886. So you start getting those coinciding variables, which you want, you need. It's what you want for an entry. That's exactly what we got on XRP, right? When we hit that entry, that's when we created that divergence, which coincided with the entry zone, right? For 2 different fib anchoring points, right? So you had like the X to C and then B to C. All right, that was XRP though. Sorry. Anyway, so yeah, man, let's go to Ethereum now. Whatever. Ethereum broadening bottom. It looked like, hey, we held within, but it looks so strong. The price action looks so strong still. Goodness, man. All right, I'm off kilter here definitely off kilter. So, you know, be gentle with me. All right. This is like, I'm out of my element here at this time streaming. So everyone just bear with me. All right. So we ran up, we touched the top of it, and then we have since sold off. And now we're rejecting it with a wick. 29 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. But again, very strong. It's looking very strong. So we hit 1.5 targets of the bearish crab, right? You know, it was perfect. 3618 fib extension BTC. Man, I should have sung in the shower. It's rough. Okay, so, dude, the education involved with this right here, man, this should be like screenshotted. We should put it just like, I don't know, we should look at it anytime we give examples of coinciding variables and how we use them. But we do that like all the time. So it's almost like any trade setup is extremely educational. Because I mean, like bearish crab pattern, horizontal line resistance, daily low candle close back from, when was it? Back from September 11th, 2018. That's, if you look at the daily, it's a candle low close. You hit that a multitude of times. Then the upsloping resistance. And then we had the rising wedge pattern, two converging upsloping, the red trend lines, right? Then you had bearish divergence on the MACD. Then you had bearish divergence on the RSI. It's insane, man. Near the 1414 fib extension, or not fib extension, just, yeah, it is. Okay, in the crab, it is the fib extension on both, man. Wow. Okay. So, yeah, man, you had from X to A, a 1414 roughly hit, and then from B to C, a 3618, which is literally, you can't go any higher. Good Lord, man. Sorry. Just struggling. All right, man. So it all worked out. And really, here we go, right? There was a reason why we broke to the upside recently, and it had to do with Bitcoin, of course, but you know, it mimicked Bitcoin with its bullish divergence that we projected, but our projection was like maybe we would hit the 618, our second target of the short, right? First target was the 382, second target was 618. We got to the $3 off that second target before bouncing, and it had to do with that bullish divergence. And Bitcoin, of course. But again, Bitcoin did the same thing. So nothing really special. But I'm very interested and intrigued. Very interested to see if we can break to the upside here. Man, I mean, normally these broadening patterns are bearish continuation patterns, all right, in this context. But I don't know, the impulse wasn't that strong on the way down. But I think the bulls still have control of this market for now, until we break that upsloping channel on Bitcoin, which is around 5,000. Until we like really break below that and we break all this like horizontal line support we've manufactured, like 4,820 is an area of support, 4,930 is a wick, right? Until you break that, your bulls are kind of still in control. And really on the daily, you know, we're developing on, let's go to Ripple and then we'll look at the total market cap. Why not? Okay, XRP, dude, just so freaking amazing, dude. But hey, look at the TA being respected. We were talking about last night when this thing was moving up again. How in the world are you going to break the 50% retrace and the downslipping resistance that you've respected time and time again? This downslipping resistance that goes back to late September and October of 2018. It's just like you failed miserably here. And here you go again, man. You just couldn't do it. You bearishly harambed, bearish harami into 2 more red candles. So, hey, maybe just pulling back. That's fine. You got to pull back sometimes, man. And pulling back at critical areas of resistance, it would make sense, especially, why? We were overbought, man. You know, we did ourselves a favor here on XRP. We're at 72. We've now reset the oscillator. So, impulse up, if you downslip your consolidation, what if you set up a pennant or a bull pull bull flag combination right here? Dude, who cares? That's great, man. That's great news. You're consolidating right next to a critical resistance. Resetting the oscillators, downsloping consolidation where people are able to get in again on another trade, on a bull flag. And then we can lift off again. And hit that second target, the 618 that we got hey, 1.5 or 1.5 targets hit, right? You got the 382. We touched it, and then we hit the 50%. But here we go. We're looking for 35.720 cents, but we did discuss like why it would be so difficult to get there, and it's like, how can we even freaking get there, especially last night after this move up and being slightly overbought at the time. But hey, it all worked out. The hypothetical game was incredible, dude. It helped us pull Tom Brady on this one, man. I mean, we hit the target like just barely, and we hit it twice, the zone of entry. And again, we're just going to show this one more time because why not? And streaming at a completely different time of the day. Who knows who's on from, who normally would never see me, might see me. I don't know. Here it is. Here it is, man. Can I even zoom in? I don't even think I can. No, that's not it. Dude, it won't. Oh, okay. Ooh, sweet. All right. Just trying to zoom in a little bit so we can see it just a little bit. That's not the way I want it. Dude, that's not even zooming, dude. That's so weird. Okay. Anyway. So we saw that this was April 12th. We called the entry between the 786 and the 1272, right? That's the entry zone. And we didn't have divergence yet, but we projected some. Boom, we ran down, we touched the entry like perfectly, like the Jesus man. And then it's weird, man. Like on these little idea things on TradingView, the oscillators don't continue on. They don't play. Like they don't like show up. And I don't know really why. Again, we might have to talk to TradingView about that. Oh, what? Why all this? Everything zoomed in right now? Are you kidding me? Dude. That's weird. I've never seen that before. Where every one of my browsers was zooming. Okay. Welcome to Weird World. Weird Connect. All right. But yeah, you get it. So what we were looking for down here was positive, or I'm sorry, lower levels of negative momentum, which we got. They're almost inexistent, and that was the divergence. And right there at an entry with divergence, man, coinciding variables. Beautiful, dude. Okay. That's what we're looking for. Anyway. Oh, yeah, we changed the color. Color, I don't know, man. We make the bullish ones like teal or blue or something, and then we make the bearish ones kind of orangish, the patterns, so newer people can get like kind of accustomed to the colors. Whatever, man. Anyway, so that's the big three, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, and we'll go to total market cap in a second. Let me say hello. I haven't done that yet. So what's up, Incredible Ambience? Welcome on DLive. Thanks for the couple people over there. And thanks for the 161 on YouTube. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much. Please give me some feedback on this time frame. Look, this is again an extenuating circumstance. I'll probably not do this until like the right variable hits again. This was specific. This was extremely, I guess, kind of scheduled in a way. Again, I was advised to stream at this time today. It's really only today, unless I hear something else. It's going to be like some other time, but it'd be probably around the same time. Okay. But again, don't get used to this time at all. This is not like I'm changing my schedule. No, I'm not doing that. What's up, Alex? Clive Vital, Conscious Vegan. Shall we become kings? Yes, we shall. So Quality Control. Anthony Rossano, Rob G. Joe Santana, man. Super Saiyan God. What's up, Edward D? He says, whoa. Michael S. Hello. What is this? Oh. Oh. Gross. Low liquidity. Asset. Yeah. Yeah, we can look at that. I'll put that on the list. Michael S. Sure. Hey, the stock market's down a little bit today. Kind of to be expected, man. 886, in the S&P 500. And that's a crazy retrace, dude. And we were forming that rising wedge too. Remember? Does anyone remember the rising wedge is developing on the S&P and also like Amazon and like Xilinx? Holy crap! Xilinx pulling an Nvidia 2016, 2017. Don't get riggedy wrecked. Yeah, Alex, exactly, dude. What's up, Ivan, dude? BCH, sure, we'll put BCH on the list. Still range bound, I believe, at the top of the range. Is this real life, Mr. Magoo? I don't know. Are you even real anymore, dude? Where you been, Mr. Magoo? What's up, Kabadappa? Ray Metz, hello? Hey, Jason Feller, the Miami Jesus Man. Welcome, dude. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning, Miami, right? Passover is tomorrow. Wait, it's here tomorrow, Anthony? What? Is it, man? What's up, Jurgen, dude? J-Togs, Ambience. Sorry, y'all, just getting through this. That's what we do. We analyze, like, the three major assets, most major assets on the market, and then we hang out for a second, and then we get back to it. Okay, this is where I collect tickers and all that stuff. Let's see how people are doing. What's up, Mr. Meowgi? Are you ready, dude? Crypto Kai. Cobra Kai is in like a week. Pretty excited about that. Perfect time for you. Awesome. Well, don't get used to it, okay? These buses, man.
I'm glad to see you this morning. Thank you.
Thanks, Ma'an. Beeswaxers for $5 contribution. Super kangage of you. Go ahead and control. Thanks for the $1 super chat. Oh my god. I mean, thanks for the... Hey, you know, YouTube screws everyone on this... Okay, on super chat. Oh, thanks again for another $1 super chat, man. Thanks, dude. Gang S. Fantasia. Exactly. That's exactly what I was thinking, dude. I was thinking about getting a neck tattoo. Maybe a face tattoo. Maybe it'll say CX. And then TTD on it after that. Alright. Anyone get that at all? Kevin Terry, you love me long time. If I give more of these, I can't, dude. It's just, this is a very rare circumstance. Okay. So, Rick Schmitz. Albert Cunningham. Hey, John Stark, man. Pedro, sorry, almost through this, man. Dude, that's actually a decent amount of chat, man. Surprised, dude. I figured I'd have no viewers at this time. Definitely, like, down from, you know, the regular time, but hey, this is awesome. Okay. Ugh. What's up, Ed? Oh my god, man. Okay, let's I guess we're just gonna get an NBN. There's just one asset requested. And again, this was like low liquidity. Yeah, like 4 hour. Give me a break. Man. Alright, so first off, on a foreign asset, an uncharted territory asset. You zoom out, check it out. Whoa, dude. What was the fib extension? Was it the 1414 or just the 1272? Yeah, 1272 was hit. Definitely harmonic. X, A, B, C. Wait, X, A, B, C, D. Wow. You kidding me? Hey, Kevin Tier, man. You got a free super chat with YouTube Premium? Well, hey, I'm honored that you used it on me, dude. Really appreciate it. Hold on, let me get out the book on this. Make sure I'm not crazy here. Okay, the higher low, 62% retrace. Which one could this be? It can't be a butterfly. Butterfly has to be a 78% retrace. We didn't go high enough. Did not go high enough. This one's tricky. Is this the higher low? So this is like the, is this the crab? I believe this would be the crab. Unless I've lost my freaking mind. No, it can't be the crab. The crab is strict criteria that we must, from X to A, we must hit a 1618. And this is a 1272. Not even close, man. Not even close. I don't know if there is one we can do. I don't think this is, but great news is that the fib extension was respected beautifully. Do we have coinciding variables at the top here? No, we had bullish convergence the whole way up on the weekly. Oh, okay. Just barely. One high, another, the highest high. You had the slightest amount of bearish divergence on the weekly. But look what that minor amount of weekly bearish divergence manifested into. So you think about slight bearish divergence at a 1272 fib extension, 29.55, and we're talking all-time highs there. Big sell-off. So impulse up, down sloping, consolidation. Hey, man. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's like flaggish. Okay. Whew. Man, this is steep, though. Real steep, isn't it? It's almost like a descending, broadening wedge. Right? But if you don't use the... You see this? If you don't use the wick there, you use, like it's a candle close, wick, candle close. That makes a lot of sense right there. And we're like breaking that. Okay. And you had bullish divergence on the MACD on the weekly. Right? We had a low and then another swing low. And then you had lower levels of negative momentum and pending price action reversal to the upside. That's what that means. I hate this, man. Sorry, it's just like, it's annoying. All right, so let's go from that swing low to swing high. Let's see how far we've retraced. What is this, a 50%, 62% retrace from your major discernible swing low to high? Oh, yep, there it is. You hit the bottom of the golden zone, right? You've retraced, and you've hit the 200-week moving average as well as the 618. Hey, thanks for the follow on DLive, JR1. Welcome, man. Welcome. Okay, so that you could be breaking out. One could also argue this is it, too, where you have not broken. If you are completely respecting anchor point 1, 2, and 3, you're just combining everything together. You have not yet broken out. Okay, you're still in a down-sloping structure, which is okay. Try to make this a little prettier. All right, so 62% retrace. That's a common retrace. Nothing wrong with that. But you got to break the down-sloping resistance if you haven't already. All right, and if you do break this, the first targets, I mean, it'd just be a bump and run, right? It's a short-term bump and run, a breakout. Your first target's pretty simple, man. Pretty simple. Okay. That minimum profit taking, that first minimum profit taking level is going to be 100% retrace. Okay. And how we would do this, how we would fib this if we were to trade this on some sort of breakout. You'd go from the high point of the structure to the low point. Dang, that's a candle close. So maybe candle close to candle close? What? Is it? Yeah, we have. Oh, that's the weekly. Okay, and this is the weekly time. Let's go to the daily real quick. Ah, crap, man. Hold on. It's weird. Visibility will turn off for some things and not for others. Okay, going by the daily. Yeah, that's a beautiful little down-sloping channel, isn't it? That looks great. So if we broke, oh my god, my fib's not showing up either. Give me a break. Okay, let's go. Okay, so if that's your first target from high point to low point, your second target on a bump and run little trade setup like this. Whoa, that's weird. 1272. It's that simple, man. That's like your just standard everyday bump and run targets for a primary target and secondary target, okay? That's it, man. And of course you can go much higher, especially look, man, impulse up. First off, trend is your friend. It started down here, started from the bottom, now we here. So the trend is good. So just for now, we're in a short-term downtrend and we need to break down some resistance. And if we can, then there might be a potential trade setup. Be in for whoever that was that asked. Okay. All right. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. Crypto Future. Welcome, dude. Okay. Here we go, man. This is all that's going on Bitcoin Cash, right? We discussed it. We actually did a video on this. Dang, man. My fibs aren't, I guess I didn't fib. I guess I got rid of them. All right, so how we would fib this? Very easy. Very, very easy. High to low. Hit a 50% retrace almost perfectly. I mean, candle close to candle close you have. Because there's no wick down here. So that's all you've done. You've hit a halfway mark, Charles Dow says, after an impulse. Whether it's up or down, you must commonly retrace about 50% of the way before reversing your price action to whatever the prevailing impulse was. So this was down, so we could expect price action to, sell off right at the 50%. But Charles Dow doesn't talk about the golden zone, which is between the 382 and the 618. All right, so this is your common retrace zone. We're finally getting it, and we're just in no man's land. We're in the middle of a gap from the fork on Bitcoin Cash. So right now you can see we're just range bound between $254 and $335. Wow, big range. So Rendingo. Well, let me try to reread that. How much activity could you expect on Patreon? Like you share most of the setups also here? Oh, do you think so? And when I share them here, do I ever show the reward to risk? Very seldom do I show the reward to risk, the entry, the exit, and the stop loss, right? So that's what you could expect as an amenity on the Patreon. But remember, and the education is well over worth what one pays on the Patreon. So the education you get is like, I can have it to where there's like literally no trade setups and only have education, and it's still going to be more worth than what the cost is of it. Okay, but and really don't have to have the education. But it's like, if you want to support me as a streamer and you want me to keep coming back multiple times a day, that is the number one reason why we'll join the Patreon. And it's not for the trade setups, it's not for the education, it's not for the Discord exclusivity. It's to support me, all right? Because you like what I do and you watch me, right? Okay, so but yeah, man, I mean, there's a lot of activity on the Patreon, and you can ask. There's probably plenty of patrons in here. We have like 120 patrons now, so take a look. Thanks, Rendigo, man. Cheers. All right, sorry. What's up, Timothy L, Bobby Randall, dude? Yeah, Spider has been insane since Christmas. Yeah, dude, the retrace, dude. The retrace. What's up, Stephen B? Welcome in. Your internet is censored? Oh, dang, dude. The current price of Bitcoin censored? Oh, wait. That's censored, dude? You need Bitcoin more than ever, dude. Wow. What's up, Ivan? Here you go, dude. Ivan, this is for you, man. Okay, we can go to the 4 hour. More candles. Beautiful little range, right? So it's like you were at the top of it, you could not get it, and then you have since made a lower high, right? The big red candle of bearish Harami, and you're rounding out, and now you're falling below the 20-day moving, or the 20 moving average in the 4 hour. Ooh, iconic, man.
Liking the early stream, but be sure to sing in the shower next time.
I know
Shower.
my voice sounds so bad. It does. I'm having to clear my throat and stuff. It's just whatever, man. I guess that's some more radio-y. WRAY 88.8 or something. Okay. All right, so I mean, like, it's very easy, man. Like, these are the best. Like, there's two types of ways to swing trade. You know what? If you know the two types of way to swing trade, post them in chat. It's very specific. It's right or wrong. It definitely is right or wrong. You know how they say it's not a right or wrong question? It definitely is. So, what are the two ways one swing trades? What are they called? And I won't do any more charting until people start answering. Okay, I'm on strike. Little trivia, I guess, or engagement. Better than type 1 if Bitcoin's gonna hit 6K first. Type 2 if Bitcoin's gonna hit 4K first, dude. That's really not helping anyone. That's all stupid. Pretty poo. Okay, what are the two types of swing trading? Go. Dang, dude. Don't let me down. I know there's a delay, like a 20-second delay. Hey, Coach K, man. Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. Welcome, dude. VChain. Why not? We look at VChain every day, dude. Might as well just put it on the local on the 8s. Holy crap. What is it? W589 design function? Don't you do it, man. What was the question, Delava? I can't believe you. Third eye trader. Well, you got one right. No, that's not it, Alex. This is coming from Bulkowski's Evolution of a Trader. Okay. No Delov. No Eric Coffey. Come on, dudes. I need more guesses. Okay. I mean, how do we get better if I don't put it on y'all? Put the pressure on, okay? Just saying. So, Mr. XRP pissed myself. Thanks for the ice cream. What's up, Nazir Walker? Hopefully I said your name right. No, there are two types of swing trading. Okay, yes, swing like Tiger Woods. There we go. That's it. That answers the question. That was it? Okay. No. Okay, the two ways you swing trade, or the two types of swing trading, according to Bulkowski, there is trend trading and there is ranged trading. That is it. So you trade the trend, which is your friend up sloping, down sloping. That's how we get our trends. Or if we're range bound, going sideways, we trade this way too. Okay, that's it. So again, write that down, because clearly I thought everyone knew everything at this point. But trend trading and range trading. There you go, dude. Bump and run is a form of a trade. Okay, it is like like a pattern. Okay, that's a bump and run is a pattern, and it normally forms breaking out of 3 falling peaks, or the other way around. Okay. You were just about to say, "Oh, ambience, man." All right, we're gonna give it to you then. Okay. Oh wait, what would Alex Trebek do? He would say to you, "Ambience, man." Time's up, dude. Maybe I should put that on Jeopardy next time. Jeopardy's next week, so not this week. It takes a lot, man, to prepare Jeopardy, but it's so worth it because it's just fun, man. We have a lot of fun. This again, man, X, A, B, C, D. It is that form of harmonic, Elliott wave stuff, but it's, I don't think high enough. X to A to B to C to D. This is not a 1618. Probably 1272 from the high to low. But it doesn't matter, man. You don't even have to look at it like that because it's just range bound. It's perfect. So low risk down here. Right, so it just looks like this. So one sets up an alert if they're looking for a long, or they set up an alert up here if one's going to short. Okay, but you got your lower risk area down here. All right, with a stop that's can be as loose as you want. Okay, it's all relative to where your target is. But here you go, man. Like even with like a kind of tight stop loss with an entry zone down here, and this is just, you could be really conservative and only enter down here. From April 11th, that 254 area, but whatever. We know there's more support up here that we held twice, and another wick here. So this is the zone of entry. We get the beep, beep. We hear about it. Holy crap, man! Let's set up our limit buy, monitor it. As soon as we get the fill, get that alert that our order filled, we then set up the stop, and then we just let it ride. And it can take time. It can take a long time, but eventually, once we start getting closer and closer to the exit, then we start setting the limit cells. Okay. That's it, man. Pretty simple. Range bound trading 101. Okay. Gonna move on to
VeChain doing things.
VeChain alert. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Bull flag, downsloping consolidation. After we rejected lower prices, the area that was once resistance, it became support. The ascending triangle, our trade setup. Are you kidding? Are you freaking kidding me, dude? Was anyone watching the stream last night, dude? I mean, this price action right here. Impulse up, downsloping consolidation. Yeah. Here it is. The breakout. The breakout. Measured move, you're probably getting pretty close. It's not a very large measured move. Anyway, yeah, but you're testing that 200 moving average as a resistance right now. Come on, dude. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sorry, this needs to not be here. Be visible on the daily. Ugh. Okay, well, these are both here. Okay, so, hey, dude. That's what you do, man. Do we need to look at this one, too? I mean, really? Do we really need to look at it? Because this one was a little further back. All right, do we see this, man? Do we see this? Do we now see this? Do we now see this? Oh! Potential ascending triangle. 2 reaction highs, now 2 reaction lows. After a double bottom, after breaking out of a downsloping structure that extends back to early September of 2018. The Momo shift. The breakout. Say things are changing. Things are changing, man. Seasons. Alright. Entries like 108, 109, whatever, right? Bye. Bye. Okay. We hit the target. We hit both targets, right? So one can play an ascending triangle, and on a failed trade, they can win, right? Because that's if you take a little profit at the top of the triangle and it sells off and then fails, that failed trade still yielded you some gains. And if you're far enough out or close enough to the bottom of the triangle, you can get some very nice returns. This was 3.8 to 1 reward to risk at the top, dude. For a non-breakout trade. And then the breakout yielded us 8.8 to 1 reward to risk. Risking 1 to win 8.8. That's how you do it, man. The numbers game of trading. There's no other way to do it. Trading plan must be implemented for you, okay? I'm just saying. All right, whatever. VetConnect doing things like bouncing. And again, we don't think it's over. We think in time VeChain can make higher prices, and it's only because the daily discernible swing high to low, we have not hit the golden zone, 167 to 207 sats, all right? Between the 382 and the 618. Oh, crap, man. Anyway, are we cool? Chat, anyone? Tom Ash, what's up, dude? Thanks, man. I don't know how, but thank you. Is XRP to BTC looking good? Are you sure? Because it broke to the upside because of some bullish divergence. Well, last time it did that, it broke to the upside. We went up like 10+% before selling off in a day and a half, 2 days, back to those same prices, then dumping again. All right, so XRP to BTC, all it did was, it's just making a retrace. It's not making higher highs at all, making lower highs. Hey, Tom Ash, man, thanks for the $6.49. The euro, $4.99 euro. Thank you, dude. Much appreciated. Okay, so XRP to BTC. What we thought was going to be a beautiful harmonic turned into a nightmare of epic proportions. All right. Or we couldn't, the 618 daily divergence on both oscillators. 786, nope. Bearish convergence, 886, nope. We fell below it. Okay, and so we know from and we're talking about from the low to high, the potential anchor. Oh, it's the anchor points for the potential pattern, not from your major low. The major low to high. We fell below the 618 and we actually back tested it, used it as a resistance, and we used these other areas as resistance too, right? Yep. Yeah, we sure did. And that's what we talked about. We said, hey man, just because, I mean, that's not good. What was once a support is now resistance. And all you do is run up and hit it and sell off. Okay. A lower high than your previous high. Same thing here. We called this one. We got this with the bullish divergence. And XRP to the US dollar pump too. But that was it, man. We pumped, made a lower high. Oops. And then dumped again. And here we go. Retracing. And selling off. Was that a bearish engulfing? No. Just bearish Harambe. All right, but huge downsloping channel that's been going on since December 24th, when the whole stock market turned around. XRP to BTC inversed it. Okay, this is inversing the stock market. Okay, pretty much. Wow. So I wish I could say it was looking great. I think it's great the fact that we hit the measure move of the rising wedge. That's beautiful, dude. And then from there we rallied and pivoted. But that's about it, dude. All right, man, big man. That's for you. Thanks again for the $6.49. All right, Kanks. So better. So Brian M. Kraken. BitMEX. Well, VPN BitMEX, but Kraken. What's up, Hink Dude? Breakout here. Guess that qualifies as range trading. What is it, Hink? What's up, dreaded trader? Welcome. Jonathan Kang, man, thanks for the diamond, dude.
Is this a fake stream? What day is it? What time is it? Can you look at scrubcoin IOTA/BTC? In XRP/BTC will be forever Chinese.
Yeah, dude, it looks like it, man. Yeah, the scrubcoin IOTA, sure, dude. God, IOTA, man, that thing has been obliterated. Make sure I got the right ticker. Yeah, IOTA BTC, dude. That thing, man, like back to 2017 levels. And hey, Kills Really, thanks for the sale bits, dude. Thing has been absolutely eviscerated, okay, and it continues to be eviscerated. Okay, dude. So what we, just like so many others, right, that have been dumping incessantly, this thing was beginning to shift. It broke to the upside, it retraced, and then it dumped again, and then all these critical supports, we broke through them bearishly, and now you're just in this little scrubby downsloping channel.
Can you look at gold, man? Bear, thank you, sir.
Yeah, Dever, man, thanks for the 5, dude. Much love. Yeah, do you mind if I look at XAU? That's the one I have like charted, and I'll look at the most or whatever. What is it? Yeah, I'm gonna look at XAU, the US dollar, for that. But yeah, dude, thank you. All right, dude. So it's like the divergence, nothing, dude, nothing. A little crap, you know, a couple candles and sell off again. All right. So we were just saying, if in fact we did reverse here, which we are showing some divergence, right? Yeah, divergence going on the RSI. If you did break the upside, which, dude, you'd be, it's like catching a falling knife right now. If you broke out, the golden zone would be between 65.64 and 7,078, but that is a big if we break this now, okay? You can see how well respected this downsloping resistance is. And really the channel itself is beautiful, man. The heart line touches are very nice. Crazy, dude. All right, so looking left, man. I'm sorry. There's nothing really here. You fell below this little wick. You've got a candle. Okay, we got the candle close still plotted in the wicks. So you got some support at 55.43. And then really nothing else until kind of like 46.19, man. Dude, back to the old levels, man. Wow. November 2017 flash crash to 1 sat. Wow. Dude, this thing has been a dumpster fire. Do we have any daily divergence here? Probably not. I mean, we'll see. Nah, so much negative momentum still. That's insane, dude. RSI. We haven't seen RSI this low since August 2018. And then before that, we had not seen anything like that since November of 2017. All right, so have fun at 23 on the RSI IOTA with stupid amounts of negative momentum still. Did you just want me to look at this to be depressed? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I guess you're getting like 2 downsloping converging trend lines now. Wow. Is that a wedge? Okay, you get it? We could also do fib extensions. We could also, I think we've already done that. Fib extension from your previous low to high. Low to high. There we are. This is where we are. Okay, I remember this now. This is why we plotted targets potentially, because from your previous major swing low to high, you are at the 1618. You're now pretty much double bottoming off of it. 1 wick and now a couple more wicks. And so the 1618, that's the golden mean ratio, man. That's serious business support in the situation. So yeah, if you broke this, if you could break the 20 and the 50, again, you're looking for a retrace between the 382 and the 618, 65, 64, and 7,078. Okay, that's your IOTA, dude. Things kills for a living. All right, got a hold, man. Okay, let's look at gold. All right, let me clean it up a little bit. It's been a second. So this one is insane. Okay, since I believe 2016, we've got a lot of institutions and people that are de-risking the tail end of a 10-year plus long market cycle, one of the longest bull runs ever. And you can see we have a momentum shift. I'm sorry, I don't care what you say. 1 and 2 and 3 and way more than 3 here. We've broken out of it and we've stayed out of it. And now we're showing from these consistent lower lows, all of a sudden, 2017, we made a higher low, and now we're making a higher low again. All right, and now others are going to argue, hey, man, it's an ascending triangle. Well, we tried that before, and we fell out of it before pivoting at some chop and running again. So, yeah, you can look at it all you want like an ascending triangle. That's fine. You're still going to get the same measure move as me on my complex or my inverse. It's my potential inverse, slanted, complex head and shoulders pattern, because we have way more than just a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. That's what you get when in a complex pattern. Okay, it's all the Bukowski. So impulse up. I mean, that's a really 88.6% retrace, man. You're down slipping consolidation. You might be forming a wedge. We're going to look at it zoomed in, but I just wanted to zoom out to show you that we have a very clear Momo shift on gold, and I think it has to do with de-risking of a very, very long established recovery, you know, from the 2008 crash. All right. So anyway, probably flagging. I mean, impulse up, down slipping consolidation. That's pretty, man. That's really, really good to see. You gotta love that. Okay, so yep, there you go. Just a little flag. So don't forget the 886 because we got a fib now. The other way.
Sorry, man. Should have specified. Barrick Gold Corporation.
Oh, my bad, dude. Sorry. Gotcha. Okay. Same type of stuff. Kind of. Yeah, see the Momo shift, right? The lows, the lower lows all of a sudden. Inverse head and shoulder too. It looks even better here. Weird. It's like impulse up, and now you're forming another inverse head and shoulders. What? Alright, so there's clearly the overhead resistance here that you just can't break. You're trying to. But you've got this, wow. But again, man, it's not just that. It's not that you're just showing forms of accumulation with this big sell wall at $14, right? So we know it was a premature breakout, most likely. All right, dude, just hold on. Let me zoom out. Beautiful, dude. Hey, look, 3 falling peaks, and you broke out. Wow. hey, speak of the devil, the bump and run. Oh my goodness, man. The bump and run. The bump and run with the accumulation, with the sell wall. Once this sell wall, all these orders are filled, there may not be any more supply at this price. There may only be supply at much higher prices. Okay, so your momentum is shifted tremendously. Look at it like this, man. Left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. There you have it, man. So if we broke that, I don't know, there's many ways we can fib. There's a lot of discernible swing highs, right? You could go from the height to the structure, I believe. High to low of that structure. Well, we're already getting close to 382, but hey, man. If we look at it like an inverse head and shoulders, measure move, same way we're looking at just gold in itself. From the bottom of the pattern to the neckline. Measure move, wow, just above the 618. Our measure move would put us at 1864 on GOLD, golds. All right, so you've got inverse head and shoulders. You've got a breakout of a downsloping channel. You've got an ascending triangle. You've got bullish convergence. Every time you make a higher low, you're making lower levels of negative momentum, higher levels of relative strength. That's good. You're above all three moving averages. You had a daily golden cross November 23rd, 2018. Okay. And you have like a miniature inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Not bad, dude. Okay. So perfect. There you go, man. There's your gold. There's your gold. It is broken out of a structure. It's been contained within since July of 2016. All right, man. They have it. Whatever. Goodness. We're working, man. We're working. What's up, Tetra Dragon? Thanks for watching, man. What's a bearish Harambe? It's a bearish Harami, but I love saying Harambe because it's so close. And we're honoring Harambe, dude, because Harambe got wrecked. Okay, gotcha, Hink Man. Yeah. So you like the rule of three. Yeah, stream's starting to glitch. Yeah, nothing I can do about it. I don't know what to do, man. Like, I'm going to literally just be screwed the rest of my life. I might just go to 720p. Or start streaming on an Xbox or some stupid crap. I don't know. Mr. Dever, here you go, dude. Sorry again, dude, for charting. Hey, we got a bonus chart, I guess, just gold itself, right? On Wanda. What's up, Shaylin, dude? Good to see you, man. Hot's back testing, go figure. What's up, Conductor, man? That's right, Harambe Connect. You're getting it, Kevin, dude. What's up, Stewart XRP? It's looking great, man. It's pulling back after a tremendous run, a 50% retrace run. And that's it, dude. Pulling back. And it's good because it could be that downslope consolidation that we so covet before another run of the upside. All right. So, baby Momo. Thoughts on Litecoin to Bitcoin or whatever, Litecoin? I don't know, man. I like Litecoin to Bitcoin because it's showing a really cool potential. Well, it's still potential. Dang, dude. I mean, it's like, is it potential? Because we already hit we almost hit that first target. But you can see we've hit 786 and we can't fall below it for now. But we are unable to make higher highs. Really sucks. Okay, you're just extending this out at the entry. And again, your targets 16,509, 17,431, and 18,478. All right. Bullish divergence be danged, man. Not doing crap. Beautiful, beautiful uptrend. It's been going on since December. All right. No fireworks, yeah. Dude, this is crazy, man. Y'all are all catching me on the first ever stream at this time. I've never streamed this time, and I've done like I think over 600 live streams total maybe in my career. Never done it this time. It's crazy. Morning TAG XRP. That's it, dude. That's it. Zetchery. It was y'all, and didn't play out. Okay, didn't play out at all. Did we do it though? Did we get 100 likes? Really? Thanks to the 100 likes, y'all. Thanks to the 174 people tuned in. Really appreciate that. What's up, Tito? Introverse United. Ooh, do we want to look at that? Sure. So this thing is still at entry, but man, get a little sketchy. Getting a little sketchy. It's chopping around at the entry. BB, US dollar tether. Fantastical. Fantastical. Excuse me. Alright. There it is. Surpassed the 1272. Unbelievable, man. Beautiful. That is extremely important. Now, the next target is... Sorry, trying to get this. There it is. Right there. 2223 is the next target. Very, very close to it. That's a candle high close back from near all-time highs January 11th, 2018. Whoa. After that's the 1414 at $23 on the dot. Rounded number. Good number. Thanks, Christian. Got lunch with some people from the old days. From the old world. So I'll be getting out of here in a few minutes. Just so I can be, you know, not have to rush that, okay? Mm-hmm. Wow. That's crazy. XTZ. Dang man. Sorry, I'm looking at something real quick. Okay, everyone calm down. Dude, so lit. Wow. What would that one be then? Can that even be anything? I don't think so. Did you have a retrace? Hold on, y'all. Sorry, I'm looking at Tezos right now. So. All right, sorry. I'm thinking here, if Tezos is in somehow, some way, a bullish 5-0 pattern, which could make a lot of sense. Could. And I'm talking, the thing with this is not XABCD, this is 0 XABCD. So I think we need to start here, but this is 0 X, A, B, and we're looking for, see, it's too deep, man, way too deep. Yeah, we can't do that. It needs to be between a 1618 and 224% retrace, and we're at like 224, the top. Shouldn't go any more than that, and then we go 50% retrace. And I wish I could show you. It's like not the way it's supposed to look, right? The way it's supposed to look is this. All right, it sucks. Like, I wish there was a, I don't know if there's a tool for the 5-0, the bullish 5-0 pattern. And then you'd go to the 1618 and the 224% retrace. But this is not right. So it's like impossible to even use the bullish 5-0 with this tool because it's not like helping me. Okay. I'm getting like a false reading here. 1618 to 224%. Okay. 224 is right again, right here. And then we would go one more, okay? 0x, A, B, C, and then D. And D is a 50% retrace, and that is where one would take a long position for a trade, okay, on the bullish 5-0. Anyway, so that's it, man. I think that's what Tez is doing. There might be an entry if we can sell off here, but we can't really go any higher. We can't do it, man. 224% retrace. That's it, dude. Let's see, 224. My bad. What's going on? Oh, okay. 224. All right. Yeah, this should be where we sell off, and we're showing some divergence on the 4-hour. On the daily. Oh, dude, come on, man. But this is like so much strength, man. But you can see the positive momentum has just begun to build, and eventually you'll get bearish divergence, but it may not be the end here. I just don't know, man. All right. Tesla is very interesting. It had a nice run. It retraced, and now it's running again. All right. And if it was to be a bullish 5-0, it has to sell here. If it doesn't, it's invalidated, and that's it. It's that simple. All right. XTZ? What you talking about? About to be rich, Jules, man? What? That's a high risk area. There's no trading plan involved for just going long on XTZ right now, right? So we're looking for a strategy on it. So GF Airplane, AF Visions. Says, caught your live streams the last few days and I'm excited and scared with this new obsession. Always tossing likes your way. Back to work. Thanks, AF Visions, for chiming in. Appreciate that a lot, okay? Thank you, dude. Fit Coach Marshall says, I have notifications on, but never get notifications. Hey, Fit Coach Marshall. Yeah, YouTube sucks for that, and that's why most people stream on Twitch. Like, we are a handful of people that stream on YouTube for the most part, okay? Because YouTube's streaming service is not very... It's comparatively bad, right, to Twitch. Okay, so Twitch, follow me there. Follow me on DLive. Follow me on Twitter. Join our Discord. Those are all ways that you will be notified when I go live. YouTube is the absolute most unreliable way to be notified about my streams, but there's a multitude of ways you can know I'm live every single time. Okay, give it a shot, man. Pick your poison, because they're all reliable besides YouTube. Hold on. What about Mississippi introverts? What about it, dude? What was it? Oh yeah, dash. Sure. Whatever. Okay. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's go from entry. Bullishly engulfing right now. The bullish divergence on both oscillators at a critical support looking left. Come on, dude. Come on. But I mean, in my look, some people chart it like this. which more power to them. They did. I don't know. I just went with the thing that had the most touch points. So here you get 1 and 2 touch points. It's like it. So it's like you broke out. But like the way I like it is just, okay, forget the crazy move up to hit our, that was what hit our trade setup's target. But if we do it like this, it's got, you got like 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. You just have more touch points. So it just looks, it looks better. Okay, in my opinion. So, and you know, the wicks, man, come on. Like, it just doesn't make sense. So here you go, man. Dash. That was our entry. Our entry on the trade setup was down at like 22,830 or whatever. So nice to see us breaking the upside now. Holy crap. Mithril. What? Oh my god, what in the... What did Mithril do, dude? Mithril connect. Dude, y'all look at Mithril. Range bound. And there you go, dude. Nice double bottom. Nice bullish divergence with a double bottom. Dang, dude. Jeez. What's the news, man? Mithril's partnering with... Is it Microsoft? Is it Apple? Is it Pornhub? What's the news, man? You broke the structure. You've gone sideways, and now you're running to the upside of the range. The low risk, high risk areas. Wow. Your cheap hot S coin of the day, Zaturate. Ever since you posted that Super Chat was theft, you get no more YouTube notifications. Well, dude, again, there's so many ways to get informed and notified when I go live. There's like 5 different ways. So, Scorp Music, man, how you doing? We're just looking at, yeah, again, a hot, fresh S coin. It had a little daily double bottom divergence, very slight, but it was there. Wow. Okay, yeah, so it's just like the bottom of the range. Hey, the false breakouts to stop everyone out. You ran back, and here you go, man. Here you go. All right, it's all right. Bunch of stuff here. It's like range bound stuff. Okay. It was triangle or something. We had some sort of triangle up here, and then we dumped. Measure move got hit on the downside, but yeah, you get it. What's up, Bradley Abel, dude? Yeah, day stream. I mean, like, whatever. I've got lunch with a couple old, not coworkers, but old, like, people I used to network with in sales and stuff. So, gonna go see them. And about, you know, meeting them in less than 30 minutes now. Who you talking about? Mithril's number? Okay. What is it? You can't place an order, Deus, man? What you talking about, dude? 1 minute chart? Yeah, dude. To be expected. Hold on. Oops. Anyway. Dash. Mithril. Probably not breaking above 13, 17 sats. Probably not. Dash. You might have broken out, but you also might have not broken out, okay? But at a critical support, you just had all the makings of the varsity athlete with the pattern, the divergence on both oscillators, and the critical support looking left. That's it, dude. Okay, and you're in a short-term uptrend, right? Upsloping channel. Signifies that, all right? No wizard hat for the B&B call? Nah, dude. That's not how it works. Alright, Vio. Have a good one. Alright, y'all. So, thanks for watching. I've been live for an hour and 15 minutes, dude. And Big Coach Marshall made it on Twitch, dude. Thanks, man. Thanks. And thanks for nothing, D-Live. Okay. Alright. Dever, man. Thanks for the multiple contributions, dude. Kills for a living. Thank you, dude. Tom Ash. Thank you, brother, man. Iconic, the group. Thank you. Kevin Taylor, Beeswaxers, Ryan Neal. Thank you all for the contributions in this unprecedented, what was it? 12 p.m. Eastern stream. Okay. What was it? 11? I think I started at like 11 something Eastern, so I'd never done that before. Probably won't do that again, but hope you enjoyed. Bradley, man.
Is that a joint?
Holy crap, dudes. Should I skip lunch, Bradley, man? Kappa? Dude, thanks for the 42, man. Holy crap. Dang, man. Thanks for the XRP in the jar, man. The big XRP, yeah. Alright, on the daily, really, yeah, of course we've already broken out. We broke out a long time ago. We broke out in November of the downslipping structure. But we broke out of the falling wedge in February. And then we broke out of the symmetrical triangle March 13th. Bull pole, bull flag. Huge run to the upside. Hit the target of the measured move of our symmetrical triangle trade setup. It was beautiful, dude. It was super Kangage. Just another one, man. And we're not done. I mean, like, look, just looking from that major discernible swing high to low, 33,471 would be another target, and that last target would be 38,367. But I don't know if we'll get there, even though, hey, at this point, taking a little profit on Dash. But this is a, dude, this could take us months if we're to do it. Months. Yeah, that is. That is a monster contribution, man. It's very humbling every time. Thanks, Ivan. Cola, dude. Alex, thank you, dude. Brother, man, anything you want to see? You want to see XRP before we go? I can do that for you, dude. Okay, XRP again. So beautiful. Bradley, I hope you were able to partake in this beautiful trade. Oh my god, it was so magnificent. It was like a Disney movie, man. Crypto ancestor. Oh my god, a crypto ancestor. Is that you, BitConnect, man? BitConnect will forever be an ancestor. I am doing well. A little tired, but I'm good, man. Can't stop, won't stop. Whatever Dave Chappelle does. You get it. It was nice, man. This one was real nice. Potential bullish cipher turned into a real boy. Stratus? Strat Connect? Dude, this thing has been so range bound. Has recently broken that range. Uh-oh. Okay, so yeah, we broke the downsloping structure, but have just been going sideways. We're hitting the 236 and failing. Very shallow retrace. That's not good. It's really not good, man. Okay. So you fell below the range, right? That horizontal line support zone. That has to be, you know, you have to hold that. Yeah, I guess you're getting back above it. It might be a false breakout. That could be tremendous if we can get back inside this range, right? Okay, beautiful range though, right? So if you were able to get back inside of this and hold, now I don't know if you can. Really don't know if you can. Nice flash crash. So scrubby, man. Remember, getting back in it, low risk. I mean, pretty simple, dude. Like, I don't even know what to do now about this crap, okay? But it's just something like that. Okay, you can take your shot, see if we can do it. I mean, how many times? 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times we've hit this resistance. Ugh. Good God. So normally this is how you'd have the trade set up. I'm not really sure with this craziness down here. Do you do this and risk it? Then all of a sudden your reward to risk is terrible. I mean, it's still good, but it's like you could incur some nasty losses before getting stopped out if this thing continued to if it wanted to continue running to the downside. All right, so what you want to do is, I think, who cares? If you come down to this area again, that sucks, right? Whatever. Maybe a double bottom could be happening. We'll monitor it. But thing is, when you get back in and you false break out of these ranges and you get back inside of them, you then want to back test the areas that were once a support as supports again. If you can confirm that and hold, then the run can come again. We can get in the 10th time on Strat Connect to Bitcoin. Okay. Does that help, man? Let me know, dude. Yeah, very bad. Very bad. Man, that sucks. No divergence. No help. No help at all. Good. A bearish convergence on both oscillators on the daily. That's not good, man. That's very bad. You better get above this area and hold. If you don't, I wouldn't mess with it. Okay? I wouldn't mess with it. There you go, dude. Frozen, yeah, go figure, dude. It always breaks, dude. It's such a joke. It's broken. Like, ever since they, Restream 2.0, man. Dude, we're gonna change the world, dude. We're gonna change the world. Just kidding, we freeze every 5 minutes. Okay, Bradley, let me know that helped, man. Okay. Yeah, Bradley, it's just a weird situation right there, right? Hey, XRP, trying to bullishly engulf. But there's like 3 hours left on the candle, so meh, whatever. Big one shorts pumped a bit, pumped up. Hey man, maybe they're getting ready for that 886, 5420. That's what we're looking for.
Is that a joint?
Okay, I'm about to have to go because lunch. Lunch? What? Hey, Soshi Run, thanks for the 420 XRP, dude. Appreciate that. We'll do it.
Is that a joint?
Holy crap. Beach ain't doing things. Yes, it is. Certainly doing things. Alright. Dude, Bradley, man, thanks for that big 4-2 at the 420 at the end, man. That's a big deal. All right. So what's going to happen is I'll just be back later, I guess, for the day stream. And we can just go from there, man. All right. I'll produce a static video at some point. But yeah, dude, I'll be back in a little while. So until we meet again in that little while, respect the T. Hey.
Turtle.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.